Hi guys, welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you how to leverage the power of Facebook Like and Facebook page elements to boost your social media presence and engagement right within your PageFly page. Let's discover Facebook Like and Share element in PageFly. Firstly, we need to access Facebook Like and Share element. To add this element, go ahead to the left sidebar, click Add Element, scroll down, then drag and drop Facebook Like and Share element to the page. Let's start with General tab settings. You need to add Facebook app ID first. This is a required field. Please go to this link, click on Login button located on the top right and follow the instructions to get your Facebook app ID. Now let's change the URL to Like. You have 4 types of content layout to choose: standard, button, button count, and box count. Then, change the size of button, and you can show or hide share button here. Secondly, let's move to Facebook feed element. Similar to Facebook Like and Share element, click on the plus icon, then select Facebook feed element and drag and drop the element to the page. Now you also need to add Facebook app ID and Facebook page URL first. Then, change the page tab setting. You can show or hide the tabs of Facebook feed and select multiple tabs at once. Choose Timeline to display the timeline of your Facebook feed, or Events to display the event on your Facebook feed, and Message to allow visitors to send a message directly to your Facebook feed. Let's adjust the overall width and height of the box here. Feel free to edit the Facebook feed element with multiple settings. Use small header to put the liked icon under your Facebook page name and hide the send message button. Responsive to different screen sizes by enable adapt width. You can also hide cover photo and show friends' faces. In case you want to only display your Facebook page's logo, you can disable all the options in the page tabs and disable the show friends' faces like the image. Now I will click on Save and Publish button and check the live view to see how the elements are displayed on live page. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Thank you for watching.